In this lesson, let's talk about how you would set alerts on your TradingView. Now, the beauty of alerts is that it will send you a text message and email or an email telling you that price has reached a certain level which you have placed. So you don't always actively have to be looking at the charts. So for example, if I expected price to come and hit this trend line up here, you can see on the right-hand side that the rough price is going to be 1.7440. So as you can see the little plus icon next to price. So if I were to click this, I can click add alert for GBP CAD at that price. You click on that and all of a sudden you can see the orange line that appears. If I double click the line, I can then write whatever I want to do. Keep an eye out for a sell position as an example. Look, notify app, show pop-ups and email, and you're able to highlight these, click save, and that's going to be saved. And then on the right-hand side of your TradingView here, you see the alert icon here, which just looks like an alarm clock. You can click that, and then you can see here, I've got that highlighted, and you can see that on the actual graphic itself, it highlights just to show you that this is where I've put the alert. And that's simply how you would put alerts on your TradingView.